The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Yeah, that's it. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone's ready for a great week. Let me get my stuff situated here. This goes over there. And goes there, and that goes there. And let's pin that. And then we'll start looking at the markets. Okay. So good morning, Mr. G. Good morning, IMM. Good morning, Cryptokine. Freighter, good morning. IMAD, if you're you can get real-time data for futures from TradingView for $5 a month. So, futures overnight. Let's see. S&P, yes. Our low of the day was the first candle, down to 39.73. Looks like high was 39.97. So 24 points in range. Spinning circle. Yay! We're going to start off well, aren't we? Oh, it says I have excellent connection. I guess I am. Yay! Durr. I haven't hooked up yet. I don't know. Early. Friday. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to stream today. What are we doing now, guys? Okay, let's see if it stays stable. The wind's blowing a little bit, so the wind. And the ES. 39.73, 39.92. No, 39.97, so about 24 points in range. 11.990 for the low on NQ. You can see NQ just keeps bopping here. We can't get above about 12.078. So about 88 points in range. IMAD is shorting CL. Okay, IMAD, did you hear me earlier? I'm swirling again. Am I back? This may be a YouTube issue because it's telling me excellent connection. Okay, so maybe a YouTube issue because it never told me that I lost connection in my streaming software. Let me look here. Got something in the way. Let's see if it shows me as a disconnect. No, see, it's not even telling me I disconnected through the streaming software. So this might be a YouTube issue, guys. Anyone has any other live broadcasts that they check out? If it does it again, check out, see if anyone else is having problems for me. Gmail. I'm always in my Gmail. Let me see if that loads. Am I back, IMAD? And I'm having a thunderstorm. So okay, if Gmail's having problems, it could be a Google thing. Okay, IMAD, I don't think you heard me earlier. You asked about futures data, live data. You can buy live data from TradingView for $5 a month for futures. Okay, so let's look at copper. Copper about 120 ticks in range. Gold about 9 points in range. Alter bond making new lows. I just probably missed a whole bunch of trades thanks to this connection issue. About 1.5 in range. Crude oil about 130 ticks in range. Last but not least, natural gas, which is trying to make a comeback. A little over 100 ticks in range. So that's where we stand. Bitcoin trying to rise back up. Still under 24,000. Nice move down there on the Ultra Bond. Thanks to my issues there, I couldn't take that short. Could have grabbed, that was a 6 tick candle there. I'm not sure. Wait, why do I have 2-5? Wait, that's June, that's March. We need to move over to June. Need to move the June on the big one. UBA, no, UBM. UB40. There we go. Nice look. You can see this here. This would have been perfect. This was a perfect short here. I can't blame my problems. That was a 5-minute chart. That was before I started streaming. I just wasn't paying attention. Okay. Hopefully Google gets their issues figured out. Maybe they're just deciding to close down. They were laying off. Yeah, it sounds like that we were having trouble with Google, and it actually wasn't Comcast. So I need to apologize to Comcast. It's unusual for me to have to apologize to Comcast. Anyway, so here we are. Yes, I did say UV40. Okay. Let me find my binaural beats to see if I can get rid of some anxiety. Yeah, I did. Ouch, that's a lot of money, Mr. G. So I missed the trade here on the Ultra Bond. You got my, I'm not even sure where my NinjaTrader chart is. That'll probably be good to find. What's my ATR? We're still under 4. So we're going to stay on the regular NQ for the Blue Sky account. By the way, guys, that long-awaited review of Blue Sky that I promised is set to launch. It's ready. It's uploaded. It will go live today right after the stream. I absolutely hate having a chip shortage. They're so hard to find, those potato chips, when you want them. And I realized I'm not connected. Duh. There we go. It's a Monday, folks. Everything goes wrong on a Monday. Anyway, thank you, Matt, for showing me that and make me realize that for once it's not Comcast. It's a lot of cars. Good morning, Glitch. Not even sure they're still like making new music. Eh. So remember, I need to change all my banners because of my new time. That's gonna suck. All my banners say 7:30 to 11 on like YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and everything. And Q trying to rise up here. He did those bans though. Yeah, not too bad though. Oh, that would have been bad. Almost took a long there with 5 regular size contracts. That would not have been good. That's what we want to do, right? Yeah. We are long on 1 regular size contract. Got news in 16 minutes, so we'll watch that. We're gonna do just a 4-point stop here. There we go, rising up into those bands. Our ATR is only 3.5. Yep, should have taken it. I was thinking about taking it there because we basically got to the ATR. Eh, now we go down under my back to my entry point. Remember, folks, if you feel like you're gonna enjoy today's stream, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Comes back up for me here. Yes, it did. I noticed that. Yeah, here it comes back down on me. Come on, let's just push up. How about that? There we go. Oh, a little bit of push up and then right back down. 15 minutes till news. U.S. durable goods report. You can see the timer in the upper right-hand corner. It's set to go off 1 minute before the news report. Looks like this is going to stop me out. We're going to start the week with a loss. Yeah, Venezuela has some issues. Oh, maybe not. We're going to bounce here on the 20. There we go. See, I was being too pessimistic. I was being too dour. Whatever, I can't even talk this morning either. There we go. Hi, Omar. Good morning. Came in just in time to hear me trip over my words. Oh, by the way, good morning, JC. Sorry, you were coming. You came in as when I was having my internet, or when YouTube was having its issues. Did not mean to ignore you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Where I'm gonna take that. Boom. Small ATR, so I decided to take that early. 5.25 points. Good way. Oh crap! You guys weren't seeing. I hit my thing to show you my chart. Oh, it's not working. Hold on. We'll fix that. I think. Yeah. I forget that NinjaTrader doesn't always play well with my. Uh, no. Well, crap. Hold on. Anyway, I just got a $105 win, $100 after commissions. Let me see if I can get NinjaTrader to show the chart. There we go. There we go. So you can see here I entered on this candle. I apologize. If you guys do not see the when I'm in it, if I'm talking about being in a trade and you do not see a NinjaTrader chart, tell me because I just hit a button and I assume it's going to work and I don't always focus on the streaming software. That was on my Blue Sky account. Entered at 12.066 half, out at 12.071 7/4. Obviously, it's continuing to go up here, but low ATR under 5, so I just took the 5 points. And we're up 101 on the morning. Not that 291 that's sitting there. That'd be nice, though. Gotta remember to change these things each day. I need a production assistant. Actually, it wouldn't work because I can't. I mean, unless you put it on a website, call it from there. Yep, we kind of tested these overnight highs. Well, you can see here, if we scroll in, we've hit this area the last 5 hourly candles. Same with NQ. We got bullish engulfings on the Ultra Bond, but below the 20, so we're ignoring those. NQ continuing to head up. And we are 10 minutes till news. The Ultra Bond market opens right now. Kind of with a whimper so far, though. I could have got more out of that move, but I do got to learn to stay in trades better. Yeah, I was in at 66. It went up to 83. I could have got 15 out of that. So how was everybody's weekend? Anyone do anything fun? JC, are you still in Florida? So Bond did pop there by 7 ticks.
Awesome. Ever gonna visit Florida be this time of year just to be able to catch some spring training games? Good morning, Robin. How was your weekend? But once again, apologize if you hear a clicking sound in the background. It's a windy day here in Illinois, and my door shakes in the wind. Let's see, I like winter weather, G. I want to live someplace that has 6 months snow. Well, mine was all right. Thank you for asking, Robin. My my Phillies are in Clearwater. That's where I would want to be. My dream vacation, and you can see NQ still rising up here. About 5 minutes till news. My dream vacation would be to like get a motorhome and like do all 30 MLB parks and some minor league parks. But the big problem there is I would never be able to drive a motorhome. So that would be a problem. Nice little trend here. Oh, let's see. Now I have the chart up when I don't have a trade going. He's in Fort Myers, Mr. G. Good morning, Juan. How are you doing? A nice move there on the Alter Bond at its open. She just broke above its 100 on the 1. You're welcome. It's good to see you. Watching our price action now. A few minutes until news. You see the timer in the top. It's our only news of the day, I believe. It's the only thing I loaded in. No, I'm wrong. U.S. pending home sales at 10 o'clock. Fed speaker at 10:30, and Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 10:30. So I missed a bunch of stuff. I'll have to do better and get stuff loaded in. I meant to do that for the week, and it totally slipped my mind. Yep. Mr. G, Matt Oraco already told us that. Yeah. So yeah, that I was blaming Comcast earlier for my stream problems, but I think it was a Google YouTube problem. Speaking of YouTube, I posted my week in review video. Have you watched it? Have you? Have you? Have you? If you haven't, here's the link. Usually do it with Nightbot, but I forgot to do that too. I need to start making a to-do list. I'll have to put that making a to-do list on my to-do list. By the way, on Fridays, I advertised that we were going to be doing a live interview with Josh from Blue Sky on Thursday. That's kind of changed. He prefers if we don't do it live now. So I'll be recording that interview sometime this week and then probably have it up over the weekend or Monday or something like that. But if you have any questions for Josh, feel free to send them to me at MightyOxTrading@gmail.com, or you can send it to me by private message on Discord. I prefer them not be put in the chat here because I'm never going to remember what they are here versus email or Discord. Now, G, are the knuckleheads residents or tourists? Pulling back. So we got up to 86, which was a new high day, I believe. It was. It was a new high day. And now pulling down. It's pulled down about 9 points. Okay, so we have news. I'm not sure why my timer didn't go off, but we have news in. Oh, I set it for 30 instead of 20. That's why I was at 10 seconds till news. Okay. Not that much of an impact thus far. Little dip down, dipping back up. Can you dip up? I don't know. ATR is approaching 5. Pull one back down. Oh, there we go. Now it's gotten a rise up to 1280. Took the long. Real tight though. I'm not sure how much it wants to go up because we are at high day. Yep. It doesn't want to. I might be giving back here. Indecisive around 20.080. I'm at 20.082. 20? 12. Try 12, not 20. If we were at 20, that would be something. Yeah. Not liking that candle. Oh, there we go. I like that candle. Nope. Come on. Get me back up to my entry and I'll get out. Oh, there we go. Struggling there at the highs. There we go. I'm out. It's struggling, so I got 2.25 points. So that's $45. Adding to the total this morning. Small wins add up. We are at 142 now in the morning. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I gotta stay in trades. I gotta stay in trades. I gotta stay in trades. Oh, that's frustrating. Why don't I stay in trades? I would be up $400 now. So I was in at 82. It just hit a high of 95. So, both trades I've gone in would have given me 10 points if I just held. Thank you, Sid. Good morning. Remember, guys, you might need to keep hitting your live button. Google's having some problems today. So we are 2 for 2 today so far. Yeah, continuing to rise up. Let's see if it gets up to 12,100. Ultraviolet also continuing to rise up here. While I was in that NQ trade, I missed this Ultraviolet trade, also giving me a bullish engulfing there, and I could have nailed 4 ticks. That bullish engulfing would have been an entry point if I hadn't already been in that trade, which is why I should not have gotten out of that trade because it was forming a bullish engulfing. You can see off that bullish engulfing, it would have went up 20 points. Wow. So that news report did affect the markets apparently, just was a bit delayed. Upset that I missed this Ultra Bond trade. Fortunately, it's hard to do 2 trades at once with 2 different types of software. So we'll look for our next opportunity. So nicely rising up this morning. Ultra Bond now about mid-range. You can see that nice move. Gold trying to get up to our highs, but got smacked down. Oh, a nice bullish engulfing there on the 5-minute chart though. Could have got a 1.5 points. Copper made a new daily high. Crude oil up and down that is about mid-range. New high on natural gas. So except for holding trades, I feel like I'm reading the market well today. I'll be happy to buy the US dollar at 50 cents on the dollar. Actual cash. Okay. Yeah, I apologize for that clicking noise you might be hearing. I need a new house. For our next opportunity, anything else doing anything? Ooh, copper must have rolled. HG. That looks better. Dow's rising up there. Nice. Look at all. Wow. Look at all these bullish engulfing candles that could have all been. Wow. Dow's just been full of them. Yep, we're getting into tornado season, and tornado season starts earlier and earlier every year. It seems like. Taking the long off that bullish engulfing. Tight stop. Gonna come down for me, I believe. Yep, stopped out on that one. I was iffy about it. I should have stayed out. I said tornado, not tornado, not tomato. I think anyway. See if I had too tight of a stop on that. Looks like I did. I had too tight of a stop. Well, that sucks. Yeah, it would have been another winner if I hadn't tightened the stop. So between tightening the stops and getting out of trades too early, I'm killing myself this morning. That strong candle up 13 points. I was in at 109. It got up to 121. I could have got 10 points. I need to. I came into trading this morning with a bad mindset. Was dealing with stuff before, and you could tell I'm antsy this morning. Crypticon, any trades yet, or did you go back to bed? So you can see these blue candles. Ding, ding, ding. All three of these would have worked. I took that one. I actually took two candles before that one because of the break down below and back above. And now this one. So I just need to listen to them. Wow, this is a 63.1 hour candle. That's pretty huge. 15 points on ES. And yep, this is the area where we started selling off during GlobeX on Friday. Friday's high of GlobeX 40.23 quarter on ES and 12.214 half on Nasdaq. Also, a reminder, folks, just 2 days left on that 70% off Bowlinox sale. There are 25, 50, and 100K accounts. No other huge sales running right now from the other big players. So get in on that Bowlinox. That was another bullish engulfing candle. We're just way overextended right now, and I should have trusted it, obviously. Also, I need to switch to micros now, I think. Our ATR up to over 6.5. Part of me says I should just stay on the regular, but I realize I don't have a good parameter in here for 10, so I can 10, whatever. Anywho, I'm not looking at this RSI with the Bollingers down here as much anymore, but I will say when the actual midline, the SMA of the Bollingers around the RSI gets above 70, and it's up to 75, that tends to tell me that I shouldn't go long. Which is why I did not take that last bullish engulfing. Although if I stayed on regular NQ instead of MNQ, it could got a quick 5 or more as it continues up. So you can see here, so far, all of these have worked. Yeah, ES is up to hit 4,975. It's kind of been sideways the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, whereas NQ has kind of continued trying to rise up in the last 7 minutes. Alteron also obviously a strong move up, down from 133.30 up to 135.03. Wow. That's over a full point. I didn't even realize that. And you notice it started with a blue candle up. Little bit of sideways action now in NQ. Pull it back just slightly. NQ again trying to give a bullish engulfing there. Big bullish engulfing. Just not trusting it at this point, this high up. Not using the bot live, just running tests. It's been up and down. I've not gotten any consistency with it, but I haven't been putting as much time into it either. I'm planning on working on that. Morning, Ace. How's you doing today? How's your weekend? Oh, the entirety of the bands are now above the 70 line. About 7 minutes till the top of the hour. Sounds like you've been getting several days of it, Ace. I remember you were shoveling on Thursday and Friday too, if I remember right. What is that? Like, how much do you average? in a winter there, Ace, if I might ask. Wow, big rise up, so it's still not ready to come down. So again, this bullish engulfing would have worked as well. And that was another one. I'm not trusting them because of how overextended we are, but wowzers. I should just trust. All of these would have worked. If I wouldn't have this indicator on, I would have taken that one and that one and that one. So I'm thinking about ditching that indicator. Wow. And yet gold still really isn't doing much price-wise. Oh wow, we even talked about how the fact you guys don't usually cancel school. Have you ever decided not to run because of the weather? Morning, Lennox. Like, did you run the day that you got the 17 inches? You need to fly to Florida for the next hurricane, Ace. See Ace run past that Weather Channel guy that always goes to the major hurricanes. Good morning, John. Another bullish engulfing here. Excellent, John. There's a bearish engulfing. Think we might be coming up nice. So up, up. This candle here, good indication of a reversal. Morning, Hafiz. See ya, Ace. Sticking around 12, 137 here. 2 minutes, 1 minute till the top of the hour. Energies markets were open. We see crude's had an up and down morning. Natural gas has continued to try and push up. Ultra bond pulling back a little bit. It actually sent me a whole bunch of bullish engulfings here that actually went nowhere. Like maybe 3 ticks. It's kind of leveled out now. Top of the hour. Crude popping right there as it opens. By a few ticks anyway. I've suddenly got the yawns. Morning, Jay. Tell your professor I said hi. Thanks for stopping in. Bearish engulfing there on the Ultra Bond as it pulls back some. Market's taking a bit of a breath after this big move up. Just a beautiful move that was like over 80 points on NQ. Yeah, those hourly candles on ES ended up being 17.5 and on NQ 79. Just kind of sitting here waiting for an opportunity. on either the Blue Sky account with NQ or the Fast Track with UB. That said, I may not just trade UB. I gotta look at it. I may decide to trade something else on that Fast Track. I was actually looking at soybean oil. Soybean oil had some good moves I've been noticing, and I charted it all the way back to December on the 5-minute chart. Looks like it wants to come down, possibly, with just 26 minutes to the bell. See this big move back down on the Ultra Bond. That was a bearish engulfing I could have possibly taken. It broke the 20. I don't know, I'm still looking at it, haven't decided yet. I'll watch it kind of live this week. Like I said, I like these engulfings that I'm using. Yeah, like here, this is Friday. You know, we had our 100 EMA above the price action. This was at 9:10 my time. You know, 20 tick stop on it is only 120 bucks. It's $6 a tick. Going for 30, that one would have been a winner. And this break of the 20 again would have been a winner. And then this bearish engulfing would have been a winner. Although that's coming up to the end of the day, so I would have cut it right at once, so it wouldn't have been a full winner. That's what I've been finding when I go back. Here's Thursday. Again, bearish engulfing coming down. Another bearish engulfing, that would have been a stop, and then so 2 out of 3 would have been winners. Kind of starting to mark them here. You know, this one would not have worked. This one would have worked. That one would have worked. That one, so, you know. Yep, pulling back here now. Ultra bond leveling out. Let me find an ultra bond chart. Boom, 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 boom. Part of me wants to go short here with the ultra bond. Part of me says, you've missed your shot. And hopefully that edge isn't robbing people at knife point with a sharp knife. Edge. Good luck on that. NQ now is 6 straight red candles, but it's slow grind. Just kind of watching, looking for my opportunity. Missed the opportunity here. I would have taken that almost anytime we have an engulfing that breaks. It continues, even though we're above the 100. But now that it's already come this far, I don't really want to join in here. I'm tempted. Honestly, I think it wants to continue coming down, but I'm not. I'm trying to be a good boy. Waiting for our next opportunity. I've said that about 42 times already. Big bearish engulfing there on the Kappa. So far hasn't really gone anywhere. About it coming down. So I wanted to enter right at 139, 134.9. It's come down to 134.6. Hit 134.5. So I could have got a few ticks out of that. And Q continuing to try and grind down. There's the Ultra Bond sitting on its 100 on the 1 hour, I mean the 1 minute, and it's 20 on the 5. Good morning, family channel. Uh, Not bad. We had a big rise up. It's kind of pulling back now. We are just about 16.5 minutes until the bell. So I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it. No pressure. Well, thank you, Family Channel. Good luck to you as well. And we're coming back down here. If you like this setup, short. And at 12, 127 quarter. ATR sitting at just over 5. Should have went back to NQ, but we'll shoot for, try to shoot for 10 points, but we'll play it by ear. It's at 122, looking for 117. Struggling here, and that's exactly where it stopped earlier at 122.5, about 5 minutes ago. Doesn't seem to want to break. Back to my entry. It's not a good sign. Watching it here. There's some more red. Again, I wish I did this with regular NQ. I would have been happy with 5 points. ATR has fallen back under 5, which is where I normally do regular NQ at. Obviously, I can't switch in the middle of a trade. That'll be fun, though. I like to trade my 5 MNQs in there for, oh, sideways here. Could not break below that support. Back to my entry. Kicks off of it. Kicks off the 20 EMA. Like the look of that candle. Almost all wick. Big move up. Darn it. Oh, still below my entry, but we're out. Small loss. 1 point loss. We'll see if I just didn't give it enough room again. It's kind of bouncing there again. I gotta just let trades play out. But we'll see what happens. A bullish engulfing there just didn't give me the warm and fuzzies. Ultra bond bouncing back up. We're filled on 1 on the ultra bond. I forgot to go to the 3. We're just gonna go with 1. It's not showing up. Why is it not showing up? I got the wrong one on. There we go. And let's put a stop on that. We are in at 29. We'll put a stop. What's the ATR on at 6? Well, 6, 2. we go, 2 ticks. 3 ticks. Of course, this is the one I only went 1 contract. Supposed to be doing 3, but eh. So this one should like blow up to like 10. I was right to get out of that NQ trade when I did. Continued up. About 5 minutes to the bell. Four ticks down the Ultra Bond. 5 ticks. Oh, there we go. Look at, oh, no, 4 to 5. There we go. 5 ticks. Of course, see, if I will be up $500 now if I go on 3 contracts. We're going to move this up to free trade. So we're going to move it up to 1 above free trade. We're up 4 ticks. See it in the bottom left-hand corner. Although right now the price is blocked out. You can see my entry. Price is blocked out by the sell stop. Back down by 1. 4 minutes to the bell. And Q, that's actually a decent entry, but I'm not taking it. I'm out. So we took the win there on the Ultra Bond. That ended up being a $121 win. Good morning, Speed Racer. And yes, this NQ would have been a good bearish engulfing to take off of that candle. Perfect. We are 3 minutes until the bell. So good first trade there on the Fast Track account. Thank you. Oops. What did I just do? Sorry about that. Not sure how that just happened. And I still have the... Guys got to tell me when I have a NinjaTrader chart up. Oh, wow. That is wide apart. And the Ultra Bond I got out too early. You can see it's still rising up. Darn it. See? I keep doing that. I could have got more out of that trade. Now we'll sit flat until the bell. Oh, Bitcoin has risen up quite a bit as well this morning. Actually, it's got a bullish engulfing. Really? We did. That would. I should have taken that. Let's see where it goes. Our ATR is still under 5, or about a little above 5. So I don't know. Probably should have stuck with regular NQ this morning, going for 5 to 7 points. Though I switched when it started doing this, but I don't know. Now we're 15 seconds until the bell. Ding, 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 ding. It'll rise up before you off in the sneeze of doom. Kind of indecisive so far. It's an ugly looking chart, actually. ES coming down, bearish engulfing there. NQ green, ES red. There's some oomph. Pulling back now again. Got well into those third bands, which usually means a pullback. ES, choppy. Big move down here, 10 points. Down to the 20, but not really getting through it. Looking bullish so far. Ultra Bond not doing a heck of a lot. Wow, big move down. 15, 16, 17, 18, getting acceleration. Not afraid of falling. There's a bounce, got down to 12, 116 and bounced. It's got to go quite a ways down in order to get down those previous lows. I mean, give up this last candle. Duh, previous lows. I have no idea what I'm talking about. It's trying to climb right back up that candle. It's gotten about halfway up. Ultra Bond's kind of died right now. Just kind of watching this price action. Nothing I want to jump into here by any means. Ultra Bond is starting to head back up now. CL. Oh yeah, CL dropped big and then it's bouncing. Dropping 20 down 22 ticks, went down as much as 43 on this candle. Pretty much double bottom with its Globex low. See if it breaks it as it's making another run down. Yep. What the heck just happened? Okay. Remember, guys, hit your live button. Between my internet and Google having problems, you might be a little bit behind on the broadcast. Yep. Gee, but it's a choppy dump. Yep, we do have news coming up. I don't have the timer up. I forgot to set it. I'll make sure the rest of the week's news is in the timer later today. So NQ and ES struggling to. It's kind of in this weird range right now. Seems to be home on the range where the deer and the antelope play. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word. Choppiness galore. Ultra bonds continuing to try and rise up there. 2 wins, 2 losses today on the Blue Sky account. 1 win on the Fast Track account. I need to average $666 a day on the Fast Track. So I'm kind of still $500 and some odd cents short. Gold choppy. Yeah. Up and down 1 minute chart. Yeah. Well, that would have been a good short opportunity. These bullish engulfings would have screwed me. That would have been good. To a point. Is there ATR on it? Yeah, ATR is under 1. Whoa, big move down. 17, 18 points down on NQ. ES down by 3 on this 1 minute candle. Then we're bouncing. Big move down, breaking the 100, but well into the band, so I'm being careful. ES also doing the same move there, trying to break below 4,000. So back down to 4,003. Give me a second. I'm going to take a couple supplements as we bounce. Big move back up. So that big candle down came right back up. Hit the live button. I'm mad. Google's having some issues today. There should be a live button if you're on the computer toward the bottom next to the pause and the mute button. That should get you back. If you're on a phone, it's toward the bottom left-hand corner. Oh, absolutely. Flat's better than down. Good luck, I'm mad. We are just choppiness. Ultra Bond still trying to rise up. In the start of the day, the fact that I've only got one good trade on it kind of upsets me, but hey. Crude? Oh yeah, crude dropping. It's dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Check out that 1 minute chart. Could have been some good entries on the 1 minute. And here comes NQ up. Try to get through this resistance that it's had no luck getting through so far. That's just an ugly chart. I got an ugly chart. There's no way I'm taking any trades in this mess. Ultra Bond continues to show that I should have been more of a diamond hand there. I got in on that last trade. I got out put it that way, at 135.01, it's gone up another 11 ticks. Boom. Still, NQ just hit this 109 area again. Bounced on it so far, trying to push down. There we go. Strong move down. Trying to get below 12,100. Still struggling. Still bouncing. Nice job, G. Big bounce there again. And we're bouncing up. Ooh. Kind of like this, though. If that's staying, nope, not staying. Oh, ES actually sending a bullish now. We have news coming up in about 12 minutes. Back up above the 20. Trying to break. Has not been able to stay below that 100 EMA. Back down to that area. Strong candle down. But again, bouncing right on the 100. Back above it, back below it, back above it. That was a potential. I thought about taking that. Ultra bond continuing to rise. Tell me how stupid of an ox I was to get out when I did. Just trying to push down again. Again, it can't get below. Bulls and the Bears are really fighting here. I think the Bears have the advantage. They wear helmets. Bulls wear shorts. What was going on with Stanford? Just watching now. Bullish engulfing back up. Wow, big candle up. Wow, are you fucking kidding me? 15 points. Ultra bond just continuing to rise up. Now going 17 points since I got out. Strong candle up here. Oh, now that's looking bearish. Nothing fun to trade right now, though. I imagine it seems like your gold trade's going alright, though. Strong candle, back down through that 100. Oh, bouncing again. Yeah, I saw that, John. Tigers beat the Phillies. The Phillies have won their 2 other games, though, so far. Have a great day, John. Well, if this new schedule where every team faces every team, we're going to face each other sometime this year. Just a struggle here. This is just so much chop. Technically, that was a long signal for me there at that bullish engulfing and through the 20, but I just don't want to trust anything right now. I got trust issues. Looks like maybe I should have taken it. 124 up to 133, 10 points. Our ATR is above 10 now. Is there anybody, Mr. G wants to know if there's anybody here that does online sports betting or has in the past. I don't. So this would have been a good trigger. I didn't take it because the choppy action, but it was a up, down, down, up move. It was perfect. Can it take us higher? Just about as high as a day. Yeah, he's not one you want to bet against, I don't think. Not, I don't follow boxing that much, but I've seen the highlights. Now we're getting that rise up, trying to break the highs. We broke ES's high. NQ trying to break its high of 53, which is that candle, little candle right there. Ace is long on ES. As you see, NateBot just posted about that 25% off all evals at Blue Sky. Mind you, coming up in just an hour, as soon as the stream ends, the comprehensive review of Blue Sky will be going live on my YouTube channel. Waiting, what's Walter Bond doing? Oh, big pullback there. Oh, it's NASDAQ. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there it is. Big pullback on the NASDAQ, down after just not, it didn't get up to its highs. Walter Bond also pulling back a bit. Oh, I totally forgot about the news. That's why I need to have that timer. Good question. Hold on. Totally forgot about that news. Sorry about that, guys. U.S. pending home sales change month over month. 8.1%. The expected was 1%. That's a big difference. U.S. pending homes index actual 82.5. Last was 76.9. There was no forecast on that. But wow, what a big difference. And at 10:30, we have a Fed speaker and Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Apparently, that's what caused that little dip there. Totally forgot about the news. Ultra bond bigger, a little bit bigger of a dip. Dip, 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 dip. There's NQ rising up again. New high day for NQ. New high day 12,162 on NQ. ES up to 4018 3/4. Missed this move in the Ultra Bond. Bearish engulfing there, and you can see we've come down 6 to 7 ticks. ES sent me a bullish engulfing there, and then went 3 points. If I had taken the NQ equivalent, would have given me 15. We are getting a bullish engulfing, but I don't like ones that are into the bands. Assuming Ace is doing well in that long. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, G. Another bearish engulfing here on the Ultra Bond. We're going to take this. Short on the Ultra Bond. 31.3506. It's bouncing on me. ATR 7, 3. Down 3 ticks. Took the short based off the bearish engulfing on the one. Top of that candle, 134.23. No, Savvy, right? Oh, that's still March. No wonder. Well, I might have screwed that up by looking at the wrong contract. UBM. Ah, was not a bullish engulfing. Looking at the wrong contract. Not bearish engulfing, sorry. Big boom up there on the NQ. As I doubted that bullish engulfing there because we were into the bands, but you can see it worked. A little bit of a pullback first, and then boom. And we just broke high high of Friday's high. We got above Friday's high. Say that 5 times fast. On ES, not on NQ. NQ's high for Friday was 214. Mad at myself for another unforced Ultra Bond error there for not having the right contract up. Still like the idea of a short, but that's why I'm staying in. Let's see if it comes back down for me. Or the thing. Mindful News has just subscribed. Welcome. Welcome, Mindful. Feel free to say hello in the chat. ES, I mean NQ looking bearish there at that pin bar, and now bearish engulfing. For ES, I mean UV to give me a little bit of a gift here. Gotta continue coming down. I'm only down one tick now. Thought about taking that short there on NQ. So far, we've been a bad decision. We'll see where it goes. UV's kind of slowed down 2 to 3 ticks. Four ticks. NQ kind of sideways. Watching. Hoping for the Ultra Bond. Continue moving down. Meanwhile, NQ seems to want to come down. Kind of sitting here. NQ trying to send a bullish engulfing now. See where that leads. Meanwhile, could someone please go in and short about 300 Ultra Bond contracts for me? One tick away from my entry. There we go. Back to break even. Now, that 20 EMA on the 500 EMA on the 1, lurking there at 135.03. There we go. We're up a tick. There we go. Yep. Back to my entry. NQ trying to do a little bounce there. Yep. Now we're down a tick again. go for a 3-tick target here. There we go. We're up 2 ticks. One more tick to my target. There we go. We got it. Boom, yeah. So I accidentally entered that order when I didn't want to, but we got a $281 win there. And now on the fast track, we are up $390.97 today. That's lower than what we need to average, average per day, but there's still time. So I was in at 135.06, out at 135.03, and it's good. I did. It's back to my entry. So I put my target there right on the 20 EMA, the 100 EMA, whichever EMA you want to call it, and that worked. So about 45 minutes to go on the stream. 2 wins on the fast track. 2 wins, 2 losses on the Blue Sky account. Thank you, IMAD. This fast track starting out better than the last one. Well, for those of you that are unaware, then we're following my fast track progress. On Friday there was a Tradovate issue which cost me my account, but Elite Trader Funding is absolutely awesome. They, with no questions asked, they reset my account back to 0, so I started over on the fast track. And I will still be posting daily videos of the fast track, of the progress on it. So now we have until, remember, fast track is a 10 trading day maximum. It's 14 calendar days. So our last day would be February 9th to get $6,000. But now we have the hard decision of, before it worked out that the last day was going to be non-farm payrolls. Well, that meant I could YOLO if I needed to. But now that's going to be right in the middle. So only way I'll YOLO non-farm payrolls is if it ends up being where I'm already down the whole lot. And Q continuing to try and rise here. ES also trying to rise. Trying to rise up and be counted. For those of you, yes, John, I absolutely agree. They are standout with customer service. Maybe the best in the business. Anyone that's been watching the whole time, how many ads has YouTube shown in the middle of the stream? I was playing with a setting. Okay, thank you, Ace. I only have that on for today where it's automatically serving ads midstream. I just want to see what kind of revenue that actually brings in. It's just a test for now. I don't want this quality of the stream to go down if it's serving too many or bad spots. It's actually a new thing. Hey Hassan, I'm 2 for 2 on the day on UB, up 390 on that account. And Q with a bounce down, bounce back up. Possible down up down move here, watching it, or maybe not even gonna get to be down up down. Could have played that bounce there. Didn't even think about that. Ooh, bearish engulfing here. Let me find an NQ chart. There we go. Oh, went away. Bounced back up. See what it wants to do here. I believe they are skippable ads, so because I do not allow them to put non-skippables on. The Euro showing strength there, G. Trabon coming back down. And Q trying to figure out what it wants to do with its life right now. Doesn't want to go down. Doesn't want to go up. Does it just want to stay here and be lazy? Remember, we have a Fed speaker in 6 minutes as well as another bit of news. Bearish engulfing on that 5-minute on the Ultra Bond. Anyway, those ads that are running now, if they only make me like $1 a day, I won't keep them on. But if it's like $5 a day, then I'll have to consider it. NQ is popping back up here, so technically that was a trigger candle. I was thinking down, up, down, honestly, and it ended up coming back up. So after it did this, I should have taken it. Not gone 10 yet, I don't think. 65 up to, oh yeah, it did go 10. But when Ox sale only goes 2 more days, for those of you who want to pick up an eval for 70% off. Everything just turned red. Getting close to 10:30 on the East Coast. Is this going to be our 10:30 reversal? See, we've been rising up here basically since midnight my time last night. Nice, Hassan. Uh, Lots of places have that. I know Earn to Trade has that rule as well. And I want to say there's other. Now, Earn to Trade will give you your profit if it's on live and not live sim. Uh, there's a couple other places I believe that have similar rules. No, for now I've cut out the evening streams, John. May go back to them, but just trying to give myself a break, especially since I'm putting out so much non-live content now, and that non-live stuff takes time. Well, we'll get back to the evening streams at some point. Maybe not on a regular schedule, but we'll figure out something. Strong move down here on NQ. Ultravon also sending me a signal on the 5. And they're both gonna. Okay, no, Ultravon signal kind of went away. Big move there on NQ. Are we into the vans? Kinda. We're taking the short. We're gonna try it. $12,150 needs to break. Market likes those big round numbers. There we go. 49. Shooting for 41. That might be too thick. Struggling at 49, which is right on that band. There's 48. There's 47 trailing. There's 45. It's bouncing a little bit. 44. 43. So close, yet so far away. Bouncing them out. So we got 9 points off of that. I didn't show my chart. Yeah, my chart did show. Thank you. So you can see we got in there. Let me blow that up for you guys. Sorry. Oops, that's not the right button. Nope, that's not the. Whoa, I really blew that up. Okay. Always forget how exactly to blow these charts up. Nope, that's not working. Okay, I'm not going to blow it up for you because I don't remember how to blow up NQ charts over. NinjaTrader charts. Anyway, we're in at 156 half, out at 147 half. So 9 points. Let's take that off. Let's roll. No, I know, John. Like I said, eventually they will come back. I need a little bit of a break. I do like doing the evening streams. It's just, I don't know, it's starting to get to the point where I was dreading them. So, and wow, I got that move, and I did get out at the right time. It did not break any further, and we have a bounce. Wow, I really did know when to get out there. How about that? Hey, glitch. Yep. Thank you. It was the bands there that kind of guided me. You can see, let's blow this chart up. You can see it almost touched that band, and I want to say that band's it can't be. Okay, yeah, it's the third standard deviation band. So that's what kind of told me I needed to get out there. Now you see, it's sending me another bearish engulfing here. Getting real close to that band though. This has ended up being a 10-point candle. This could have been a candle to jump in on and been in on this candle itself. Now, why am I not going to get on this bearish engulfing? If you look, it basically got down to the same spot. It's got to show me it's going to break that. We have that 100 EMA sitting at 39. This candle opened at 46. So if I was on regular NQ going for 5 points, ooh, well, it's already come down 5. That would have been a good play. There's the break. So this would have been a good trade. It's gone. It did go 10 points exactly so far, though it's struggling to break that 100. And it's bouncing. So on regular NQ, could have went for a quick 5, 7.5, or 10-point trade. Could have gotten it. Did not take it on the MNQ. And there's the bounce I was expecting. ATR has fallen back under 10, meaning I should only be looking for 10. That one gave exactly 10, so with slippage it probably wouldn't have given 10. But it's trying again here. It keeps trying to entice me. It's an enticer. But again, we have that same problem. It's struggling to get through through that 100 EMA. Kind of hanging around the bands. Still got 30 seconds to decide. And thank you, Ace, for reminding us about that like button. Appreciate if you hit it, smack it, do whatever you want to it. As long as you do something to it. But don't do anything weird to it, though. Yep, now see another stronger candle here. Taking the short. I'm late. Maybe not too late. There we go. Wow. Boom. Target hit. Trailing. Look at that go. Boom. So the first one we hit 15, and the second one we got. Wow. 24 points on that trailing. Booyah. We are up to 56 now on the day. I almost doubted that, but when I see two bearish engulfings almost back to back, you can't have them back to back. They can't engulf one another. But when I see two of them like that with only one candle in between, I take it. Obviously, taking the first one would have worked too, but thank you, Avi. So we're up 256 on one account, 390 on the other account. It's a great Monday here, MightyOxTrading. I have about 20 minutes to go in the stream. Let's see. I could have taken this short here on the Ultra Bond, but it's going slower. I'm happy I decided on NQ instead. But I'm gonna change those yellow bearish engulfing to purple. I think I like purple better. Oh wow, we just continue to go. NQ breaks 12,100. Yes, trying to break 4,000 back down to 4,003. What did I say about that 1030 reversal? Classic. Saw it up, down, down. Try once more, lower high, down. Nice bearish engulfings. We took that. Boom. Thank you, Speed Racer. That, for my friends, was fun. Not as much fun as Laughter's having, though. Great job, Laughter. There's a bounce now in NQ. Ultra Bond, big bounce as well there. That's right, we have a Fed speaker speaking. I think I can thank the Fed speaker for whatever just happened. Let's look. Uh, nope. Fed's Jefferson doesn't update policy views and prepared remarks. We also had the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, negative 13.5. They expected negative 9.3. And we're down to 12,090. ES sniffs 4,000. Has a little bit of odor, so it pulled back. Now we wait for our next opportunity. Good day of trading here. Just kind of watching. Look. So is that a, is that a trigger there in the Ultra Bond? I don't know. It looks a little weak. NQ back up to 12,100. Yes, did not break 4,000. Trying to bounce back up. And trying to come back down again. Here we come down again. ES actually sending a bearish engulfing there. Again, could not break 4,000 though. It's going to try. Ooh, big move down there. There's the break of 4,000. Bearish engulfing work there on ES. Actually, NQ, micro NQ sent me one as well. We could have got a 10-pointer there. Nice job, Glitch. It was quick. Big bounce. Back up above 4,000 on ES. Glad to hear that, Glitch. Big bounce. So we got down to 12,076. It's bounced all the way back up to 12,103. ES is back up to 4,004. What's the Ultra Bond doing? It's just kind of hanging. Ultra Bond's already losing its oomph. It's an oomph-loser. Remember to hit your live button. I think Google's still having problems. It's still been lagging here. So the worst thing about the fact that they reset my account on the, the fast track is that I got to come up with 9 more days of racing analogies for the thumbnails and for the videos. Crypticon said he was going to join me on the fast track, but I think he fell asleep. That was a bearish engulfing on the NQ there, on micro NQ. Luckily, I didn't notice that because it's not doing well. Oh, maybe now it is. Pushing down. We're short. See if we get back here. It was iffy. Hard to see the trade. It's all at the bottom of the screen. Not sure why Ninja that. Did I just close the trade out? Did I get stopped? I might have accidentally hit close there. Crap. Yes, I'm up 390 on the fast track. Just gave back here on accidentally closed out that order. On NinjaTrader here for the blue sky. I still can't tell where I exited though. But it looks like I exited and it was good that I did. So that bearish engulfing did not work. A lot of trades today. 7 plus 2 on the other account. Have you placed any trades, Crypticon? Yeah. I I mean, maybe if I'm close, but I really doubt it. I'll probably just let it die if I don't hit it. Ooh, there's a big bearish engulfing. Because, I mean, I got the 50K. I got a backup 50K already. I got this mainly to get the resets for the 50K. Yes, you may, Crypticon. It's just struggling to get down lower here, even with the various bearish engulfings. This is where you got to be careful. I already took that one loss. Choppy here. Last call to hit that like button if you've enjoyed today's streaming. I appreciate it. Remember, as soon as the stream ends today, the review video for Blue Sky Trading will be up. Right now, the biggest thing besides throwing cash at me that you can do to support the channel is to watch my non-live content and give the thumbs up and all that. That's what's going to help the channel grow right now. Looks like we're going to end on a whimper here as we just kind of chop. Oh, but the Ultra Bond all of a sudden came to life. Look at that 1 minute chart. You see the Ultra Bond kind of died there, and the 20 and the 100 were intertwined, nodding up. So it's hard to tell. Could have got a quick 3 ticks, but so hard to tell. Ooh, well, there was a drop. So let's look at that last bearish engulfing. Would have went 9, not much. Yeah, it wouldn't have worked. I knew what I was doing. Don't ever assume I know what I'm doing. But we did get those bearish engulfing again on micro NQ, and we could have got 5. Our ATR has dropped. It's still 11. I don't know. Yep, BS back down below 4,000. We visited once before, about 10 minutes ago. I like double bottoms, and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny that when price hits at the same place twice. I probably could come up with the entire parody song. And we're hanging here, 1283, 12083 on NQ, 3998 on ES. Classic 1030 reversal worked today. If we look, right here is 1030. Consolidated for a bit and then started that big move down. Then the move had already kind of started. Obviously we hit a high shortly after 10 o'clock. And boom. Nice job, Crypticon. Big bounce. Back up to 12,100 on ES. Sorry, NQ, ES, back above 4,000 again. So far, yes, on the double bottom. And we're just about at the 11 o'clock hour. It's about time to call it. Great day today. 390 on the fast track. Now, again, if I see anything I like later, I still continue to trade the fast track after the stream. You'll have to tune in to the video to see how I end up. That'll be posted sometime this afternoon or evening. Ended up slightly 184 on the blue sky. So, good day overall. Yeah, it is looking, excuse me, a little bullish there on the indices. Meanwhile, Ultra Bond's looking choppy. So I do want to thank everybody for joining me today. We are done here for today, but we will be back tomorrow. Remember to watch the Blue Sky video that just posted up. My review video of Blue Sky Trading. And be watching for that fast track video later today. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. And we'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Bye.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.